So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. So first thing first, those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's see this on our Swiss franc JPY. Let's start with our movement right here. We can see that Swiss franc JPY is now pushing up, right? This is now giving us a bullish move. So a couple of days, right? For a couple of days now, which is Monday and Tuesday, Swiss franc JPY gave us a bullish move. Now for this Wednesday, we would also be anticipating for a bullish move. So this is to tell you that whatever you want to be doing on your Swiss franc JPY, you would want to be going for the buy. Now this is your daily time frame. Guess what market has done right here? Market has now break above our 10 period simple moving average. So market has now pushed up and it is now trading above our 10 period simple moving average. That is indicating what's an uptrend movement. So we will be anticipating for a further movement to the upside. That is exactly what we will be expecting. Now take a look at this movement right here, guys. The overall trend, this is our Swiss franc JPY. This is our overall trend movement, right? Market is trending to the upside. This is the overall trend. Now take a look at it right here. So markets eventually push up, right? And then it came back to test this same level. Markets eventually push up again, right, to form a new high. Then markets eventually came back to test the same level, right? Now markets pushed up again to tap this resistance level, which eventually rejected from that level and drew back to our support level. Now market has now tapped the support level. Expect what market to do. You should expect it to push up to form a bullish move. So this is to tell that we would, in the long run, we would be expecting Swiss franc JPY to push up till it is able to tap this resistance level. So if you are not yet in the buy, you should be looking to going for the buy, because in the long run, Swiss franc JPY should give us that bullish move till it taps this resistance level. So whatever you want to be doing on Swiss franc JPY, you would also be going in for the buy. More updates on this will be covered for you guys, so make sure you subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the updates, and also like, share, and make your comments.